So there's a tab here. The first category sort of works on families. So family browser will open up this dialog box, and it has two separate tabs. So your folders tab will allow you to bookmark all of your your folders that you use for family. So in my case, I have my Autodesk family saved here. In your case, this might be your office standards, so you could have all of your custom content bookmarked here. As I scroll down through the list, I see all the categories on my folders, and I can click into any folder and I instantly get a thumbnail view of all of the families that are in that folder. I can scroll down, I can see what I'm looking for on the list, and I can select one of these. And what I can do from here when I right click on it is I can edit that family straight from here. I can load it straight into my project, and view will simply just change the thumbnail size. What it also gives me an overview of is all of the types that's in that family as well. So I can, before I even load this into my model, I can see what types are in that family, and I can also see what parameters are in the family and what values is contained in that, all before I even load this into my model. The other tab then, Loaded Families, is going to give me an overview of what is already in my project. So I get a full overview, and again, I can scroll down to all of my categories. These are all of my families, and then these are all of the types that already exist in my project. And again, it's going to give me all of the data, all of my parameters that are already being used on that particular family in the project. So this gives me a great overview of what's in my project before I even kind of jump in and start to see what else I need. Another quick tool under families, just as a little bonus, is Align to Path. So a lot of times when you're designing something, you might be extruding a family along a path, and you have to kind of copy and paste that family one by one and set the increment each time. Align to Path allows you to speed up this process by simply having your symbol, having a path drawn. I have this path drawn in advance, and then being able to either set a distance between those symbols or set a default number. So I can set a distance on this of 1.5 meters. And I also want to keep the rotation of the symbol as well. All I can simply have to do then is select my tree. Navigate's going to prompt me, do I have multiple elements? I don't, I just have the one. I can select my path, and quite simply my design has now been completed, and I've saved a lot of time there where I don't have to copy and paste things manually and set my distance automatically. So that's a couple of the tools that are inside your kind of families area.